Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to Cybernet channel. This video will shows you where to download and how to install Android Studio. First, let's access the Android developers site. Click on Android Studio menu item at the top to access the Android Studio page. You can click the Download Android Studio button to download the installer for Windows 64-bit right away. However, let's click the download options link to explore more options. There are installers for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS platforms. In my case, I will download the installer for Windows 64-bit. Wait for the browser finishes downloading, then click on the executable at the bottom left to execute the installer. It takes some time for the installer to add Apache NetBeans into your system. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment, IDE, for Android app development, based on IntelliJ IDEA. On top of IntelliJ's powerful code editor and developer tools, Android Studio offers even more features that enhance your productivity when building Android apps, such as a flexible Gradle-based build system, a fast and feature-rich emulator, a unified environment where you can develop for all Android devices, apply changes to push code and resource changes to your running app without restarting your app, code templates and GitHub integration to help you build common app features and import sample code. Extensive testing tools and frameworks. Lint tools to catch performance, usability, version compatibility, and other problems. C++ and NDK support. Built-in support for Google Cloud Platform, making it easy to integrate Google Cloud Messaging and App Engine. Finally, I have the Android Studio install. Let's explore the project templates that the tool provide. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.